I want him to be in my child's life. He needs to be a man and step up.
Wow.
Today we're going to go ahead and get into this call from Young Jock's morning show that's highlighting a very serious issue that we have in society. Before we get into it, take a second to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell for updates. And if you're new to the channel, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. Not going to waste any time here. Let's go ahead and get into it.
I have been calling him for like months, and I've been getting ignored, and I just really need to talk to him.
Well, how long has it been, you said? A couple of months?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you think that he is responding to you?
Well, truth is, I'm pregnant, and Pierre gave me money for an abortion, and at this point, I'm keeping it. Like, I'm almost due, and I need to tell him.
Okay, what you want us to do about this?
Wow.
I want y'all to call Pierre so that way, because I can't get in contact with him. I don't know none of his friends. I don't have none of his social media information. Like, I don't have anything about him. I don't know if I'm blocked or what, but he needs to know. I need him to be a man and be here for my kids.
Do you have the money that he gave you?
I mean, well, I'm having a baby, so of course I bought crib, stroller, diapers. Like, I'm getting prepared for a child.
So you're not going to return his money?
No.
You say you come to get some more.
I want him to be in my child's life. He needs to be a man and step up.
Wow.
What's his name again?
His name is Pierre.
But you gave him the illusion that you were going to go through with this abortion.
I'm expecting to have my baby next month. And yes, I was going to go have an abortion, but I decided to keep it. This baby is a blessing. The baby deserves to be here.
Oh, wow. Well, I feel that.
I will tell him to get Pierre on the line.
First off, to all of the young people listening to this, maintain responsibility for yourself. Sadly, this situation is very common today where you have men and women getting together casually making babies. People who don't even know each other. She don't know his friends. She probably barely knows his name. Nothing. But she allowed a person that she don't even know to not only have relations with her, but she allowed him to do it unprotected. Didn't use any type of contraceptive, and now a baby was made. Now, usually when women talk about this and they have this conversation, they'll skip over that whole part and they just get to, well, the baby's here. No, let's go all the way back to the beginning. Why in the world will you have relations with a man you don't know without protection? He can give you more than a baby. You're actually lucky that that's all you got. Why do you do this? And then after you have relations with this guy that you don't know, you don't even think about plan B. As the woman, you have control of your body. You gave permission to that man for you guys to even connect. And now here's a scenario that points out another fact. It's your body, your choice. So although you two agreed to terminate this pregnancy, you have full authority and control to change your mind and throw out that agreement. Took the guy's money. You left your last conversation with him at, I'm gonna get rid of it. You give me the money for it. He sent you the money for it. You changed your mind not to get rid of it. And you decided to repurpose the money for baby items. And because of the country that we live in, you are now able to dodge accountability and place all blame on him. And if he doesn't show up in the capacity that you want him to, after you led him to believe there wasn't even going to be a baby born, you can tell that baby anything about their father. But what you won't do is tell them how as a mother, you offered up this precious gift to a man that you don't even know. Don't know his family, have no clue about the bloodline, and all the stuff that I just said. No man, no woman will ever be able to say that to you because it will be offensive to you. And we're all supposed to protect your feelings as queen mother. And then you move on to sabotage other women. Instead of going back to young women and say, hey, I made a mistake and you should not do this. Instead, you say, I did ABC and I'm all good. It worked out for me. So if it happens to you, it's all good. It's not a big deal. Literally sabotaging other women. That's what they do. And I'm here to tell you it's wrong. Any day of the week. It was wrong at 3 a.m. So it's still wrong at 3 p.m.
Hold on.
Hey, man. Wow. If I ain't really attached to this woman and I gave her that money, that's my receipt. I'm out.
Oh, it don't work like that, bro.
It's a woman's body, so
Almost.
it's her choice at the end of the day.
Yeah.
What's up? How you doing this morning?
I'm well. What about yourself?
All right, man. Listen, can we talk to you for a minute, bro?
Who is this?
All right, look, Pierre, I know you heard we and you don't know the voice, but you might know the voice. You just don't know who it is. You got a few minutes to talk?
Yeah, it's cool. What's up?
Pierre, are you fresh out of a relationship?
I'm actually in a relationship.
Oh.
Okay, so what type of relationship you in? It's a serious relationship?
Man,
Yeah, we getting kind of serious.
Pierre, let me ask you a real question. What's your relationship with the young lady, Nicole?
We didn't have too much going on. It was really just a little fling type thing. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just a few months. It was cool.
Okay, so y'all not in a relationship though?
Oh, no.
Okay, well, she actually called us up here, and she gave us some information.
did y'all have a situation around by the beginning of the year going on?
Yeah, it was a little situation. It's just a little plain one night stand type thing. Get that out the way.
But you are currently in a relationship, as you said that, right?
Oh, yeah, thankful.
So listen, man, let me just put it out here for you, bro. She called us up, spoke with us for a few minutes, and we not gonna prolong this. We're gonna go let you know she's actually on the phone.
Okay.
Well, Pierre, I don't know if you got me blocked, but I've been calling you, trying to reach out to you and stuff. I'm keeping the baby, and I'm actually due next month. And it's time for you to step up and be a man.
Bro, I shot you 600 for the abortion. How you pregnant?
Pierre, I went to the clinic, had an appointment and everything, but when I got there and seen that baby, I just couldn't do it.
You must be gonna pay me some child support or shoot me my 600 back or something.
Ooh. Wow, Pierre. So you aren't willing to step up and be in this child's life?
Hell no, man. I paid to get rid of that baby. I'm not about to be no dad.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
I'm still in my 20s, man. I got stuff jumping off, and I'm with my girl. She's tripping.
Ooh.
Well, what do you want us to say at this point, man? Because she didn't go through with it.
My girl started going on child support. She's about to be a single mother because I ain't messing with that. She tripping heavy. Wow, who gonna tell my girl this? She done got kids and everything.
Well, you gonna have to tell her, and you gonna have to pay for this baby if it turns out to be yours, sir. I mean, it's not really optional.
And be a father.
Oh, it's his. He needs to step up, be a man. I don't care about the rest of that stuff.
Hey, fellas, just call
Too
it a
bad,
trap.
too sad.
Don't go for it. I ain't going for it either. I'm already in a good relationship with a good woman. That's just over.
I don't know, Pierre, but it looks like you probably messed up this thing with this good woman that you got. Your lack of self-control got you into the situation too. By being reckless with your seed, you don't even understand how much control over you just gave her. Your lack of self-discipline is going to cause the good woman to walk away from you. It's a very high probability that she is not going to put up with this.
Bro, I just want to say this to you. You might want to put some thought into how you handling the situation at the moment. Because for one, she did not get determination, and I'm pretty sure y'all gonna have to go through DNA tests and all that stuff. But just know that she gonna be on your head. I hate that we had to call you up with it this morning, but I think you need to figure out what you're gonna do in this situation, man.
She's gonna have to get on welfare or something to do something for that baby because I gave her the money to have to get me out of that situation. So she's gonna have to figure it out.
Wow.
Ooh.
Well, I'm pretty sure you heard that, Nicole. We didn't have to tell you about it. You heard it for yourself, correct?
Yes.
Okay. With that being said,
He said multiple times that he gave her $600. But because it's her body, her choice, the woman has the final say on this, she's able to change her mind. And that's what she did. Once you drop that seed in her, you leave her in full control of that decision. Which is why you should have used protection for a couple of dollars as opposed to having to give her hundreds and leaving her with that decision. This situation is so common now, and that's why you have a lot of women online bitter talking about how their baby daddy ain't this and that, but they leave out these details. They are out here casually making babies with people they don't know. No commitment at all, not even a relationship. And yes, because of the glorification of single motherhood, you have young women today planning to be a single mother. I did this video here a while back. I'm going to leave the link below in the description. It's about how young men and young women should protect themselves so that we can put a rest to this behavior. Let's go ahead and get the conversation started below. What do you think about all of this mess? Shout out to Edmund, Anthony H, Dark Power, and Reginald. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and share.